You're nearing the end of your lease and you're considering returning your Honda. We would be sad to see you go. After all, Honda constantly updates its vehicles with the latest technology and upgrades in safety, comfort, and convenience. There's much more to enjoy with Honda. But if we can't change your mind with loyalty benefits, like an additional wear and use waiver and turn-in fee waiver, we will help make the process of returning your Honda easy. First, schedule an appointment to inspect your vehicle 2 months before the lease expires. You can do that by contacting the SGS National Customer Service Center by calling 1-800-340-4080 during business hours or online at schedule.sgsauto.com and enter your VIN and HFS account number. We created the vehicle inspection video that outlines everything you need to know about getting your vehicle inspected. After inspection, we'll receive a report which will include a list of any needed repairs. Repairs noted in the inspection report may qualify under the HFS Excess Wear and Use or Damage Waiver. Prior to making any necessary repairs, contact the Lease Maturity Center at 1-800-708-6555 and discuss which damage incidents are covered under the waiver policy. We created the Excess Wear and Use or Damage Waiver video to answer all your questions about what's covered. Then return your vehicle to your local Honda dealer by the lease maturity date. You will be billed for the turn-in fee and any other applicable charges. Remember, the turn-in fee is waived as one of the many benefits of being a loyal Honda customer. We created the loyalty benefits video that explains how you can be rewarded by staying with the Honda family. Your Honda dealer can also help answer questions about these benefits. We hope you'll consider it. Visit automobiles.honda.com to see the latest Honda lineup. To learn more about all of your lease end options, see our library of videos and discover more information at hondafinancialservices.com/leasing/end-of-lease.